Every good design follows a process and is based on a plan. There are 6 simple steps I follow while creating my logos. You can follow the same process to create a professional, attention-grabbing logo. So the company for which I'm creating a logo is an educational institute called Pinnacle Thought and Hope Academy. The first step is brief. Asking your customer these kind of questions will help you better understand the brand by obtaining some broad information. Ask them what should be included in the logo and what should be left out. My customer suggested using a tree, a pen, and a book in the logo after I asked him about it. Research. Doing some study on the competitors and the brand industry before getting started on the logo can help you create one that sticks out. Additionally, it's a good idea to keep an eye out for images and logos that can provide you with inspiration and ideas. Pinterest and Google are the best resources. Mind mapping. If you want to be more creative, you can use this strategy to help you come up with some unique and fresh ideas. List all the associated meaning with the brand name that comes to your mind. Sketching. This is my favorite part. I'll do a few rough sketches of several logos. Each one should take no more than a couple of minutes to complete. What that does is, it will force you to create a simple logo. Colors. You can check Adobe Color and explore colors that are fitting color for your brand. Vectorizing. I use Adobe Illustrator to vectorize the logo. I have made it once from the ideas I got from the sketches. The logo is in the background with a decreased opacity. To trace it, I will use the pen tool and reverse the colors, so the stroke will have a black color and the fill will not have any color. I won't go in detail on how to use the pen tool and how you can trace an object with it. But if you want to learn how to utilize the pen tool, the link to that video would be in the description. First, I'm going for tracing the book and the pen. I used negative space to combine the book and the pen together. With the pen tool, I'll draw this line with a circle on top of it. I'll just select it and go to Object, then Expand Appearance. Again, I will go to Object and expand it. I'll use the Shape Builder tool to merge some part of it. The link on how to use the Shape Builder tool is in the description. It is time to trace the tree. Using the pen tool, I'm tracing the tree body. I'll use the Smooth tool and draw over the harsh paths and make them smoother. Creating these leaves are super simple. Just draw a circle, then click on the bottom corner circle and hold Shift and select the opposite corner. And just drag them. Now you can see we have a leaf shape. I'll take duplicate of it by holding Alt and dragging them as much as I need. To see the logo in different background variations, I'll change the logo and background and see how it looks in different colors.